I'm Tammy at All About Living, and today we're going to make Confederate bean soup. 6 ingredients, top to bottom, start to finish, 30 minutes, hot. And it is so good, y'all. Beats beanie weenies every time.
Well, have you ever been to a kitchen in the deep woods of North Florida? Welcome to Tammy's Outdoor Kitchen.
Real simple pantry country cooking. So I called my daughter and I said, tell me something that y'all used to eat, that I cooked, that y'all absolutely love, that I haven't done a video on. And she's like, Confederate bean soup. Mom, you haven't done a Confederate bean soup recipe. And I'm like, you're right, you know what? And I hadn't cooked it in years either. And I remember what's in it. And she's like, oh yeah, there's onions and bell peppers and baked beans and half and sausage and bacon. That was it, Mom, that's it. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. For your ingredients. A ½ pound of sausage. This is Jimmy Dean, but it's just a ½ pound of that rolled sausage. 3 pieces of bacon. A can of baked beans. Some half and half. Some green bell peppers. And an onion. Okay, we're going to get our get our stove on. We're going to shoot for a medium, just a medium heat. Put our pan on there. And we're going to wait for it to get hot. Okay, my pan is good and hot, and I know it's hot because I can only hold my hand about 1 inch above the base. So it's going to sizzle when I drop this, and I do this with a pair of scissors. It is so much easier to cut bacon like this. You can just snip it right on off. Okay, now we're just going to stir it around and break it up. Just let it start browning. Okay, while that bacon is rendering, I'm going to go ahead and cut an onion. And you can use any size onion you like. Depends on how much you like onion. Okay, and I'm going to cut them pretty small, not particularly small. About like that. About like a regular diced onion. Okay, my bacon is nice and crispy and rendered now, and I don't need that bacon grease. Now, I don't throw anything away, so I'm fixing to put that bacon grease in my baking can. And this is how I do that. I just drop it right on into the sieve, collect my bacon grease, then go about my business. Bacon grease. All right, now I put my bacon back in the pan, and I'm going to drop this sausage right in there too. And let's Get that broke up. Now, I'm going to add my veggies in there too. Onions in. Peppers in. All right, at this point, we're just going to continue to let that brown and all the veggies get soft and get a little color to them. And then we'll add the next ingredient. Essie, get down from there, you little camera hog. Yeah, you heard me. All right, doing a little interim check here. Get it moved around, make sure nothing's sticking or scorching. A few more minutes. All right, we're gonna give it one last stir. And I'm gonna get my beans in there. So let's get us an open can of Bush's baked beans. Okay. We're just gonna pour that right in. You should hear a nice sizzle, and anything that was stuck to the bottom of your pan should loosen right up. You're gonna give that a stir. And we're gonna turn it down all the way down to low. And we're going to let that simmer. You can put a lid on it or not, as long as you're watching it. Okay. Last ingredient. Half and half. If you're real industrious, you could use heavy cream. We're going to start with 1 cup. See you in the next video. Bye.